Hi, I'm Jen with Getaway Today, here to give you the best tips and tricks for your next Southern California vacation and beyond. Today we're going to be talking about Disneyland's MaxPass and some new things that Getaway Today now offers. So what is Disney MaxPass? It allows you to actually set your fast passes digitally on your smartphone. It's fantastic. It's $15 per person per day, and it's something that you used to have to add on into the park. But that's some of the good news. Getaway Today now sells a ticket that you are actually able to get the MaxPass included before you travel. So we'll kind of tell you if this is the right fit for your family, but in general, MaxPass, like I said, it is a digital fast pass system. It allows you to set those from your mobile device, and it includes Disney Photo Pass, which is awesome. It allows you to kind of preserve those memories with the professional photographers throughout the park. A great value. We've never had a guest say they didn't enjoy this service. You're going to love it. So which ticket types include this Disney MaxPass? Well, with Getaway Today, you can actually include it with either your one park per day tickets or your park hopper tickets. And it's something you can now purchase before you visit the resort, which we're thrilled about. A new announcement. It's only been around for about a week. So of course we wanted to let you know about this. But again, you can buy it with our one park per day park hopper tickets, buy them in advance, and it is again that $15 per person per day. But when you're adding that onto our discounted tickets, it really saves you a lot of money on the MaxPass. So one thing to note is it's not included with all tickets. It is with the tickets that include or have in the name MaxPass. So it'll be something like Disneyland e-tickets with Disney MaxPass could be a title. And we'll link you below to where you can purchase these actually on our website. So another question is how many MaxPasses are included or how many days? Well, when you purchase with Getaway Today, it is actually for every single day of your ticket length. So if you buy a 3-day park hopper, you get 3 days of MaxPass. Same with a 2-day or a 5-day. It is a length of stay MaxPass, which again is a great value and something that you can get before you enter the park. So what if you're only looking to use MaxPass one day? First off, we think you're going to be a fan and you're going to want it every day of your stay, but let's say that for some reason you're only going to be at the park a half day one day, or you just have a reason you don't want to have it each day. Well, then you can have flexibility still. You just would buy our normal discounted tickets, 2 to 5 days in length, park hopper or one park per day, and then add the MaxPass once you're inside the park. And that is actually the only way to get kind of an a la carte days for MaxPass. Otherwise, if you purchase it in advance, then you do have to choose it for the duration of your stay. So is there a discount on MaxPass if you're purchasing in advance with Getaway Today? There absolutely is, because you're adding that to our discounted ticket prices. That saves you the very most. So if you are thinking you want to save on the MaxPass, for sure buying it in advance with our discounted tickets is a great way to do that. Plus you're getting the convenience of having your ticket and your MaxPass in hand before you travel for, again, that you're just ready to go once you're there in the park. So once you purchase our Disneyland tickets with MaxPass, how do they work? Well, first off, it is super simple, and it doesn't require going to a ticket booth or anything like that. Our tickets are electronic. You'll receive an email confirmation. You can't leave those tickets home. They'll just be with you all the time. Once you redeem them at the gate, you'll get the physical ticket, and then you will just scan that into your Disneyland app. It'll already have the MaxPass included with that ticket, and you're on your way. It's that simple. Then you'll want to set your first fast pass and get started on this day. So what if you've already purchased your tickets with Getaway Today? Can you still add MaxPass? Absolutely. We mentioned before, you're never penalized for booking early with Getaway Today. If you'd like to upgrade to the MaxPass tickets, we can help you with that. And we'll also advise you it's in your best interest. If, for instance, you're going during the spring special that's happening right now, it may be more affordable just to add the MaxPass on once you're in the park. Or if you purchased prior to price increases or anything like that, we'll also advise you to make sure your family gets the very best value on MaxPass. Well, we hope you're just as excited as we are about this new e-ticket that now includes MaxPass. We are thrilled to be offering this service for our guests. You've asked for it, we now have it. Again, we always save you the most on your Disneyland Resort vacations, and that means tickets too. Our tickets also include a lot of magical extras such as a photo pass, coupons. Also, they take you straight to the gate, and you have our award-winning customer service. If you have any questions, then we'll be there for you, as well as Disney tips galore, such as this YouTube video. We are there for you on your vacation and can't wait to help you get to the Disneyland Resort.